Hey everybody, this is Mark the Lost Traveler, and we're ready to travel. I just purchased this Topeak MTX BeamRack, and this is the E-type, and this is good for your mountain trail bikes or commuting bikes. And I'm going to show you what comes in the package and how simple this is to set up. So here's everything that comes with the Topeak BeamRack. Of course, you have your rack here, your user's guide, both sides. This comes in like 12 different languages, and of course you have a red light mount, a tail light mount, two different thicknesses of these rubber wedges. I don't know if you can see that. You can see there are two different thicknesses for your seat post, reflector and reflector mount, and of course this will also adapt to the other two mounts for your red lights. I went ahead and already unscrewed this. As you can see it here in the back, I just took that off there, and depending on what type of light mount you have, you just clip these on here. You can see in the back, you put on your Phillips head screwdriver and just mount this in back here, and then take this, just line up the holes, and then back here you'll have a hex screw that goes on, and that's a 3mm screw that goes on. So those are pretty easy there. One note on here, I'll get this down here, but this is a warning. It's not a seat, it's for cargo only, and the max weight is 20 pounds. The rack is I think 1.92 pounds, so just under 2 pounds. Now that we've gone through everything that comes with the beam rack, you need to figure out which thickness you're going to need for your seat post. The thinner one is recommended for 31.8 to 30.6 millimeters, and then the thicker one here is 27.2 millimeters. So basically all you need to do is pull out your lever here, turn counterclockwise, and this will open up. And as you can see here, you have a circle and a triangle. So basically you just line everything up really simple. Just here's your triangle and into the triangle side. Since this is a little thicker, it's going to be a little tough to get in, but there we go. There is that. And then just grab the circle one and pop that in. Like I said, it might take a little doing since this one is a little thicker. I tried the thinner ones already on my seat post, and that, after mounting and closing it, it still had a little bit of a wiggle. So that's it. You just close that up. Then when you lock this, you're going to turn it clockwise and clamp down. So now let's clamp this to the seat post. Okay, now mounting to your seat post, just unclamp and just attach right to your seat post. This is really easy. Make sure when you do this that this little washer is in front here, and just start turning clockwise, and you're going to clamp it down like this. So I'm going to line this up, give it a few more turns, and that is securely fastened to your seat post. This is not going anywhere. Remember, max weight on this is 20 pounds. Alright, now that it's mounted, here's a better view of what it looks like overall. If you're wanting to know about the clearance, you got 4 inches from the back, 2.5 to the middle, and 4, so you have plenty of clearance there. Then I'll just get my Topeak, and this is a DXP bag. Mount that on there, and you are ready to hit the road. Hope this was informative to you, and on that note, traveler out.